Hello dear friends, so we will be discussing Sutra 12 from Samadhi Pada, and as we go forward it's going to become more interesting because now Patanjali starts sharing how we can decrease these modulations of the mind, and how can we become more powerful than the mind. So this is why we are here, right? And once you understand these sutras, um, you will have a new level of awareness, and that's why we are here. So let's start. Abhyas vairagyabhyam tannirodhah. So abhyas over here means practice, vairagya means detachment. So with practice and detachment, all these modulations of the mind can become thinner and thinner, and they can lose their grip on the consciousness, on the chitta. So why I said chitta here and why I did not say mind is because that mind is already having these modulations, but mind is also part of the chitta. And similarly, intellect and memory and ego are also part of the chitta. But these modulations are so overpowering that the self is not able to, that the self is not being observed here. So once these modulations go down, they settle down, they calm down, then only one can experience the self, and then one can abide in the self and not in these modulations. So what is happening earlier, these modulations are so powerful that the self also starts identifying with these modulations. So for example, you are angry, you start feeling that I am angry, I am the but I am not angry. It's just that the feelings that the one is experiencing, they are just the feelings, and they will anyway fall away. But what happens, the self starts identifying that the self is angry. So what is it? It means that the ego starts identifying with the self, because when you say I am angry, that means that you are a ego person who is saying that right now I am angry, and then that ego starts identifying with the self. So what it means here is that by practice and detachment, all these modulations of the mind can settle down, can thin down, so that one can abide in the self, in the true nature, which is peace, calm, love. So this is the meaning of this sutra, and we will go to the next one. Namaste.